Hi you guys, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my Halloween house tour and I am starting out in the front yard. I really wanted to include lots of pumpkins and some painted ones with black and white stripes, and I even DIY'd these really funny attack flamingos just by spray painting some regular lawn flamingos and making a sign. DIY coming soon. On our porch I have my fall sign turned around to be the Halloween side, which says Boo to You. It's from Hobby Lobby, and my pumpkin rug, which has seen better days because it's been raining a ton, and again my wreath from my fall home tour from Big Lots. I've got some mums and some little scarecrow cuties from the Dollar Tree over here. Really like how this mum looks in the planter. And in the window I've got my spooky Oogie Boogie Man shadow, which is a really great DIY from Living to DIY, and I'll link her video below. I focused most of my inside Halloween decorations in the living room. I didn't do much in the kitchen or the bedroom, so we're going to focus on this area. I am obsessed with how the mantle turned out. It is absolutely my favorite. Most of my decorations are black and white, but I brought in some really cool, funky pops of orange this year. On the TV stand, I've got these really gross spirally branches I got from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, as well as this hand candle holder, which is from Target. I got it a while ago, but I know that they have them again this year. Up on the mantle, I've got my poisonous plant and some black and white striped gourds. My spider web frame back here, which was in a recent DIY video I shared. I love black candlesticks for Halloween. I think they look so creepy and cool. I kept my marble candles and the white pillars from the fall mantle. I've got my little skull match strike on a vintage gold candlestick. You can see I've got the matches in there. And I love these thrift store books that were also on my fall mantle, but they look so perfect for Halloween, next to my spiky pumpkin from Target. This is a combination. The orange and black and white garland is from Michael's this year, and then I DIY'd the tassel garland, which I can definitely share how I made that super easy. This black velvet pumpkin is from Target a few years ago, but I know they have similar ones again this year on sale. More candles, and these creepy black flowers mixed with the orange pumpkin sticks I got at Trader Joe's. I've got a crow from the Dollar Tree tucked into this cage from Hobby Lobby, as well as my very beat up Harry Potter book, which I put out every Halloween. And my favorite element of this whole thing is this wreath from Crate & Barrel. I think it is so witchy and cool. I love how it looks. It really pulls the mantle together. It was worth the price tag. I'm glad I bought it. Over by our console table, I've still got my moon prints. I took off the leaves for a Halloween party we had the other day, but I've got my candy jar, a kickstand with a sparkly black pumpkin, and some black pillar candles on my marble candle holders, which are very simple and very spooky. I still like how it pulls it together. Over here in our dining area, I just put a few spooky touches on this shelf that's built in. I am so obsessed with these vultures. I got them from Target. I think they're the funniest things ever. I used some of the dollar store Spanish moss to kind of create a nest for them, and I think it's also funny that they're by the dining area where we eat, so they're like looking over us eating our food. I've got some more creepy books in a black and white striped pumpkin. And down here towards the bottom, I've got a little vintage glass bitters vase or container, as well as another mini poisonous plant in a black bowl from IKEA, and the bottom shelf hasn't really changed. Over here by our letterboard, I changed it to say, I just want to give you the creeps, and I've got some fall florals in my little hexagon. I also swapped out the Texas print for a creepy typewriter I found on Etsy. Over by our couch, I've got this creepy moth decorative thing from At Home, as well as my DIY potion bottles, another spider frame, and some pictures down here. On our little side table, I've got this really gross octopus figurine and a candy dish from Target a couple of years ago. And to wrap up the tour, I wanted to take you outside so you could see our spooky Oogie Boogie Man shadow at night when it's all glowing up. I used orange lights from the Dollar Tree, taped them to the window frame to give it that creepy orange glow, and I think it's pretty creepy, so I really like how it turned out, and it was a very inexpensive project to do. And that is all for our 2018 Halloween house tour. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want more holiday and home DIY content, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!